Hi, today, I'll guide you on how to create profile. To create a profile in Starla Connect, start by logging in. Once you're logged in, navigate to the profile menu and click on Add Profile. Enter the profile name and phone number associated with your WhatsApp account, then click Add Profile. Congratulations, your profile has been created. To connect this profile to your WhatsApp account, click on Action and select Authenticate. A QR code will appear on the screen. Next, open WhatsApp on your phone and go to Settings. Select Link Devices, then tap Link a device. Use your phone to scan the QR code displayed on your laptop. Once the QR code is scanned, type Starla Connect in the prompt and click Save. Now, return to your laptop and refresh the page. Voila! You'll see the status updated to Connected, and you're all set to use Starla Connect with your WhatsApp profile.